Miles. And there's Miles too. Hi, Miles on the phone.
Hi, Miles on the phone.
Hi, Miles on the phone.
Hi, Daddy on the phone.
Hi.
So what are you up to, Miles?
What are you doing?
What's Miles doing?
What is Miles doing?
What is Miles doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing, Miles?
What are you doing, Miles?
He's sitting in the armchair.
In the armchair.
That doesn't look like the armchair to me. I hope you don't do that in your armchair.
What's that? What's that? Dada.
Hi.
What's Miles doing?
What is Miles doing?
What is Miles doing?
What are you holding?
What is he holding?
What do you have in your hand? Why don't you show the phone? What do you have in your hands?
Clothes in your hands.
What are you holding?
You're holding a garbage bag.
Hold
Not
it up.
anymore. You were holding a garbage truck.
Hold it up so you can see.
You can't. I'd have to move the phone for you to see that way. You have to lift your arms.
Yeah, hold it up. There you-
With the
the other hand.
Lift the other hand, Miles.
Lift both hands.
Dada, what's Daddy doing?
What's Miles doing? Lift both hands. Oh, oh, no, just the one. This is too confusing.
There we go.
Problem solved.
Two hands up
Yep.
Both of your hands are up.
and down.
And down.
Up and down and up and down and up and down.
Yeah, it's true.
You're absolutely correct.
Working paid.
Worked and played. All day long we worked and played.
I'd actually rather record him singing than you.
I'm just helping. Everybody needs backup now and again, right, Mouse?
Go to the elevator.
Go to the elevator.
Shannon, press the button.
Miss Shannon pressed the button. Oh, you rode in the elevator at school? That's pretty cool.
Okay, then go.
Pretty cool. Yes. Course I'd love to cuddle.
Aww.
Thank you. Oh, you're very clever.
Take my up. Take my up.
But it's so comfortable.
Cold.
It's kind of cold
Hi,
outside.
Hi, Kinnikin.
Hi, Quinn.
Hi, Kinnikin. Hi, Kinnikin.